I got this little kitty cat for Grayson when he was about, 6, 7 months old. Actually, I got it for my cat. My cat didn't like it, so I brought it for Grayson. And so I have a video of him playing with it before he was walking and stuff. This is him playing with it at 17 months. Is that a kitty cat? Grayson? Look at the kitty cat. It's coming to get you. Grayson, pet it. Go pet the kitty cat. The kitty cat wants some love. Pet it. Yes. Is that JC? Is that like JC cat? JC cat. Say kitty cat. Grayson? Grayson? What's that kitty cat doing? What's that kitty cat doing? Pet that kitty cat. Give it some love. Give that kitty cat some love. No, I don't think he's that into the kitty cat anymore. Are you cleaning up your books? Grayson? Clean it. Want me to read your book? You want me to read you that book? Hey, it's time for bed. You want to come sit with me? Yes, you want to sit with Mimi or Mimi read to you? Oh, yes. Okay. It's time for bed. It's time for bed. Little mouse, darkness is falling all over the house. It's time for bed, little goose, little goose. The stars are out and on the loose. You don't want to hear the story, Grayson? Here, I think that's getting on your nerves.